before we go, still allow you to scan the QR code for present live. And later we will have a good discussion talking about programming assignment number 2. Alright, so let us finish this one, and then later we will have the good discussion. And in fact, next week, next Monday, we will have the class observation by experts since 10 to 11 next week. So I expect all of you can come to the classroom, and so that we can join the good discussions. And for the good discussion, perhaps, if we have it, then I will ask you to rotate your desk or chair, and so that you can have arrangements so that some of you can face. All right, for example, for Evan and for Alex, if we discuss it, perhaps I'll try to ask you to rotate. If we have a rotation, something like the two of you can rotate to this way. Alright, so in pair, so we can rotate like this. Alright, and if you have 4, of course, rotate to this way. And if we have the fifth one, for example, if we have the fifth one, then something like this one, this way. Alright, so 2 or maybe 4, so that the fifth one. Alright, so about the good discussion, I will ask you to rotate. If we have turn and talk, same. You can rotate so that you can talk to the person previously next to you. But right now, you have the neighbor talk to you directly because you have the fast way to have the discussion. All right, so we have a big change. Why I have a big change? Actually, this is a recommendation by the expert, so we should change. So I let you know. Alright, so if everything is okay, let me continue. This is supplement 1. And in fact, we have 4 supplements. For the 4 supplements, I will go through some important results and important examples. It doesn't mean I will that you have all the details, no. So we have the current one talking about single variable.